Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube shorts with minimal efforts with Fliki. So let's begin. So here we are in Fliki.ai. This is the platform that we will be using. So for this example, what we're gonna be doing is that we are going to sign up. So click and sign up right here. And from here, we're gonna go into a new file right here, but first let's delete this so that we can create a new one. So click on new file right here and type any file name that you want. So in my case, I'll just go for sample, and you want to go for your language of your video and then a video right here so that we will be creating a video. So click on submit. And now that we are here, the next thing is we want to go to convert right here and idea to video right here. Click here. So that from here, all we have to do is type in the idea that we have, then Fliki will make it happen in a video. So the idea is how to get better at basketball. For example, we are in the basketball niche. So from here, we're gonna go with short duration because we only have the free plan, and the style would be explainer, so that it would explain how to get better at basketball right here, and click on submit. And now it's generating video, may take up to 1 minute. So all we have to do is wait. And if you want to take on longer durations, like medium or long, you need to upgrade your plan here in Fliki. As you can see, it's now generating scene right here. And all we have to do is wait. It's creating our video. And from here, you can see how long is it. Now it's in 47. And just like that, we have successfully created a video from just typing our idea or title of our video that we would want. All we have to do is wait, and it's generating a scene currently. And by the way, you can also change your voiceover by clicking here under voiceover. You have a name right here, it's Sarah. You can also change it into a lot of speakers right here. But for me, Sarah is enough. And so I'll just leave it at that. So now let's watch the video and see if it's passable. So let's click on preview and play.
To get better at basketball. Start your journey by understanding the game's rules. Master them and you're already one step ahead. Next, focus on your fitness. Strength beats effort. To navigate the court and
As you can see, it's really cool. We get to create videos like this just from ideas right here without any hassle, without needing any skill, without any efforts. And as you can see, it's a really good video. And once you're satisfied with this, all you have to do now is click on download and download a video, and you can now upload it on your social media by clicking here. But if you want to edit some of it, then you can just go here. You can edit the scene or the video that is being played by clicking here on layout, and you'd be able to select stock footages right here that you can use so that you can change it right here. And it's pretty much customizable, everything. So you could also customize the text if you'd want, or the dialogue. So yeah, that is how you create a video with Fliki. That is very easy with minimum effort.
If you found this
Thank you for
video
watching.
helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.